Good morning, fourth graders. Another day of science, learning about energy with Mystery Doug. So we're going to continue with the video lesson. Today, you're going to access a document on Schoology because you already submitted part 1 yesterday to your teacher. So let me show you what I am talking about. So you are going to be going to this document in your Schoology file called Mystery Science, Energizing Everything, Mystery 8, Energy Worksheets Part 2. So don't worry, you're not doing all these worksheets today. So you're going to concentrate on doing the wind energy worksheet. This is all that's due today. But you do have to watch the video. Again, in your slide, you have a space, the slide prior to the worksheet, that will show you the part of the video that you're going to watch. So you're going to end the video at the times where you have to fill out your energy worksheet. Now, when you're working with your worksheet, you can click on the document itself in the slide and you can type your answers. So just like I did there, okay? So you can do that, okay? So again, the video is in the first slide that you're going to be looking at. Again, if you click there, you will see it has the actual website for the slide. It's going to start you where you need to go, okay? So let's watch a little bit of it so you know exactly what you need to look at. So here are the worksheets. So wind energy is for today, sun energy is for Thursday, and water energy is for Thursday. Okay? So you'll start on step 3.
First, you're going to fly to Greensburg, Kansas, a little town located on the plains. While there, you meet the town's mayor to talk to her about what kind of energy they use. The mayor hands you this report to read. Go ahead and read the report from Greensburg on the wind energy sheet to yourself now. Once everyone has read it, go to the next slide.
Okay, so you see that blue thing. Again, this is where you're going to go to your document. You're going to read this specifically. That's from the mayor, Greensburg, Kansas. It says, on May 4th, 2007, a tornado knocked down all the buildings in our town. We needed to rebuild the town. We wanted our new town to get its electricity from the wind. Then we would have less air pollution. There was plenty of room for windmills around the town, so we built 10 big windmills. When the wind blows, the windmills turn. The turning windmills change wind energy into electrical energy. The wind blows almost every day in our town. It blows hard and fast. That's a good thing. The wind has to blow at least 15 miles per hour to make the windmills turn. That's at least 6 meters per second. When the wind doesn't blow fast enough, the windmills don't turn. Our 10 windmills make enough electricity for 4 towns the size of Greensburg. We sell our extra electricity to other towns. Okay, so when you finish reading that, you go back to the video, go to step 4.
Read questions 1, 2, and 3 aloud as a class. Then read the report again with your partner and write your answers.
Okay, so here we go. What are the benefits or advantages of using energy from the wind? So looking at what the mayor had said in the letter, what is the advantage or benefit of wind energy? Number 2, what are possible problems or disadvantages of using energy from wind? So what would be a problem of using wind energy? And number 3, what does Greensburg have that makes energy from the wind a good choice for this town? Why would choosing wind energy be good for them? When you're done answering that, then you continue with the video.
The mayor tells you that 2 windmills can power a town the size of Boulderville. Look at this map of Boulderville. We've included a windmill so that you can see how big one is. Discuss.
So here, is there space near Boulderville enough for windmills? Okay, so here's Boulderville. You see all these mountains here. It says 2 windmills can power a town the size of Boulderville. Could you fit 2 of these in their town? Think about it.
Take a few minutes to look at this graph of wind speed in Boulderville. Discuss. Do you think Boulderville can use windmills for their energy? Why or why not? You might need to look at the report for a clue.
Okay, so here we have the average wind speed of Boulderville each year. So here we're using a graph. Here's our math, right? Our data. The yellow indicates about how many days in a year that has zero wind. So the wind is not blowing at all. The blue indicates how many days in a year the wind speeds are 10 to 15 miles per hour. And the red indicates how many days in a year the wind speeds are over 15 miles per hour. So looking at this graph, what do you notice? Do you think they should use wind for their energy? Why or why not?
Answer number 4 on your wind energy sheet.
Okay, and this is where you go back, and this is where you're going to write exactly what we just talked about. Does Boulderville have what it needs to use the energy from the wind? Explain. Use evidence from the graph that we just saw to help you with your answer. Okay, so that's it for today. You're talking about Boulderville and wind energy. Do they have enough wind in their town to use the windmills? You need to write that down. And when you're done writing that in your document, you don't have to submit it yet because you'll wait until you finish the rest of it near the end of this week. I'll tell you when to submit. So I hope you learned a lot more about a different type of energy, an alternative energy, or renewable energy, which is wind. And I'll see you guys tomorrow for more science on energy. Bye.